actually won't. I'm gonna be one of my weights is way over the faster I'm gonna go around the corner. So, and also this place, if you want to, there's, nobody right behind you. You can lock up the brakes a bit if you want to feel how to pull out and slide. I just like that. I kind of think, if you know, basically everything will run on instinct after that, if it makes any sense. I think, basically, right in bed, you know, driver place, but still have to run, you know, comfortably ride on it. So yeah, this is a good place to play around. Don't, push your limits or anything, just go within your, where you feel comfortable. And just throw some woofy goods, make sure you're not, out of control. It's a great practice area, so we'll stay on this until people, feel good, want to go on with more trail riding and see other sites. So any questions? No? Right. All right, so you can, have that, go bug maybe something. you know, like for a photo op.
It's one thing at the front. I don't have to worry about other people being slick. She goes fast.
Instead of taking a picture.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, off of Garden at the Prospector's cabin. Prospector? Somebody was coming to look
I can't believe they came up here. Most any old mines would run here around in the middle of winter, and it's like it's so dangerous going underground and they come out and they call the way of that. You know, it's happening. No insulation. There wasn't. Wow. What?
Did you look in there?
The doubles are more bumpy.
Huh?
The doubles are more bumpy.
Are they? You shouldn't have broke them.
It's hard to see how fast it is. The doubles have minutes though. This is on. Yeah?
Did you look in the cabin?
Right?
Did you look in there?
I walked around it to find you.
Go look at it.
Tell us an older cabin. You look at the nails they put in. 50 round heads. That's you know, that's like modern nails. Blacksmith. So you really have to work it. Like, anything else you did. Maybe they're doctors. Carpenters, you name it back in the day. So yeah, so some stuff's been obviously added later and different things. Not just getting into the spring on. It's been used through the years for different purposes.
Let's take it over.
Sure.
Excuse me.
That looks like it would be a postcard.
Yeah.
You look on that screen so you can see all the red dot at the top.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Yeah, there's one bad thing about these.
Sultan.
If you're riding right behind someone, when they start picking up snow, it goes straight into them.
I just get confused. I'm not classical. But it's unbelievable. You just go short distance any direction and the mountains look completely different. So everybody I talk to, everyone kind of tells a different story. And there's actually many of the peaks. Actually, there's so many that haven't been named. So I would say, you know, if I can name yourself. That was really cool. There's your mountain. So it was named after you. Okay, yeah. But we like it here. People actually drive. I saw some snowmobilers coming down Kendall yesterday and tonight. It's just not. If you're really experienced in adventurous, there's a place called Deer Park. May or may not see snowmobile track way up there, but yeah, that's kind of beyond our ability level. We have the owner Eric has actually traveled our backcountry from Silverton, which I guide in summertime, but he only did it once with snowmobile. He's very experienced and he'll never do it again. Ever. Oh wow. It's just it's really sketchy. And, it's vulnerable in summer and best conditions. There's you think 550 something away. It's like you have shelter roads out there that totally unsurvivable. Just a few thousand feet right off. So it's like you really gotta keep your head straight. And so yeah, I have no desire whatsoever to go out there all the time. And I've mountain climbed and snowboarded and all that for 35 years. Just it for me. Trying to get these a lot better than they were.
Zachary, can you get our picture real quick?
Anytime. Where would you like?
Right with the mountain behind us.
There's no known bad view anywhere in the county. If you ever see one, please tell us about it. We're perfect. No, it's not. It's not as beautiful as it is. All right, you ready?
Cheese.
There we go. All right.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Anytime. Been doing videography for 30 years. Get board school.
I'm moving.
Huh?
Are we in that picture?
Maybe.
left needles or the left needles and stick and then stick the graders. Yeah, they're really. And we later on we'll go. We should be up on the that high section there. We'll have a shot of the rack here, and maybe not the graders. So yeah, get it for that. They might be done out. So you can't predict the weather here. So I know. You get a break for a couple minutes. It may not last. Yeah, you kind of see. I mean, it's the way it kind of stacks up this way. And so like Silverton today is like say less than half an inch total. Whereas the 36 coming from the south, and that's why it's so hard to predict. It's like it needs full space to get up the real massive mountain range here. So we get what we get. We're very thankful when it snows. Because we got a winter last year. We got our civil operations at just 2.5, but it costs a lot of money. But it's good for speeds. So many times. Yeah. So it's so much better. We warn people too. For like last year and give and take. We get a couple of. Lots of fun, but a lot lighter weight. They don't have nitrous oxide and all these other things that the see those track things. It's really deep powder, many hidden obstacles. My friends that have powder sleds, hit stumps, rocks, all sorts of things. So please don't do that. It's unused to break your arm. Like that. I don't want you to break yourself either. So don't ride within your ability level. Strongly suggest taking the low route here. You look at that high section there. You go up there, but just what is way off camber there. And I've had a lot of rollovers in that section where it's dirt between trees on that left side. So it's just I don't want to push it, but as long as you're moving, I don't want, if you were to stop there, all the weight's going to be sideways. So that's just no bueno. So but if you have enough inertia going around the corner, then the gravity you're basically holding yourself up, so you don't have to lean as much. And you'll see that just in the low section. So just don't do the upper section unless you're really feeling up for it. Broken sleds. I haven't had any broken people too much, but it just adds, a little more. So that's how that is. Run into each other. Shooting if you want it. You flip the front end off. If you're confident, it's all. You're, at your own risk if you want to, push things. So just it's fun here to play. So have at it. Any questions on it? All good?